Most people create their first digital product and then share a link to their product on their WhatsApp status, get 1 or 2 sales from their mother and their best friend. After a few weeks, 0 sales. You get discouraged and then you give up. And then you make a conclusion that selling digital products doesn't work. The problem is not that digital products don't work. The problem is where you're putting your products. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 different websites where you can put your digital product. These platforms will allow you to easily find customers who are already looking for your products. I'm going to show you the platforms, tell you the pros and the cons. Then your job is simply to choose one of them and get started. Without wasting time, let's get into it. If you don't know who I am, my name is Marshall and I've been making money online for the past 8 years. And more recently, I've been selling digital products. This is my website and I've managed to make over $28,000 in the past few months by selling simple PDFs. I do have a coaching program where I show people step by step how they can get started as well. If you're interested in that, click the link in the description below and you find out more details about my 5-day challenge where I'll show you exactly how to create and sell your own digital products in just 5 days. The first platform is this one. It's called gumroad.com. And the nice part about it is that it's free to use. Anyone can just simply come and sign up, register account, and they can start selling their products within 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes, because it's really that simple. You're not going to pay anything upfront. They're going to give you a free website where you can put your products. And the other advantage is that they actually have got their own marketplace that if your product is good and let's say maybe it's something that's in demand, you're actually going to get customers from their marketplace. This is what their marketplace actually looks like. As you can see, all these are different products that are listed on the marketplace. The only disadvantages of this platform are, firstly, let's just say I click on this one. You don't have much room for editing what they give you. In other words, the way that you see that this page is laid out is how all the pages are laid out. The only difference will probably just be the cover image and who owns the page and what product is being sold. So all the pages look the same, but hey, for a free website, that's not a bad deal. The second disadvantage is that you don't pay any money up front, but they take 10% off every single sale that you get. Now, if you make 2 sales, selling something for $10, it means that they're going to take $2 from you. But if you make 20,000 sales, it means that they're going to take $2,000 from you because you simply use their platform. That's money that you could have invested in actually getting your own website where you keep 100% of the profits. And stick around, I'm going to talk about that later on. And by the way, I'm going to link to all these websites in the description below so that you can just go and check them out for yourself. The next platform is this one, which is called PayHip. It's similar to Gumroad in that you can actually just register for free. And where this one is more advanced is that when it comes to paying taxes, they can actually help you with that. They've got their own system. You can go and do most research on yourself, but they help you to actually pay your value-added tax. Whereas compared to other platforms, you're going to have to figure out that part by yourself. Also, they have got their own affiliate system, meaning that when you create your product and you put it here, you can actually get other people to promote your products for you, and then you just pay them a commission. This is a game changer, especially if you can find, let's say, influencers or people to promote your product. Then this system will allocate them the money that they earned from whatever sales that they would have made. The disadvantage, however, is that they take 5% of all your revenue as long as you use their platform. Yes, it's less than Gumroad, but of course it's going to accumulate over time. They also do have a marketplace where your products will actually appear. And yes, you can get some sales here if your product is an in-demand product and something that people are searching for. This next platform is this one, which is called Seller. It's seller.com. And the main advantage of this platform is that, especially if you are in South Africa or you're in Nigeria, it's specifically designed to sell in those countries, meaning that you can actually receive payments in South African rands and also in Naira. But if you're not in one of those countries, it's a disadvantage because they have got less payment options. From the platforms that I spoke about so far, the one with the most payment options is Gumroad. But this one specifically is for sellers who are in South Africa and in Nigeria. And yes, they are looking to improve and get sellers from other parts of Africa as well. But if you are in these countries, it's going to make it super easy for you to be able to receive your payments into your local bank account, whereas compared to the others, there are different things that you would need to do. The next platform is this one, which is called Coffee. And if you remember back in the days when creators would say, buy me a coffee, that give you a link where you can just make a free donation to them for, let's say, for example, you loved their content. This is the platform that they would normally use. So now it's kind of evolved from being buy me a coffee. It's now called Coffee with that interesting spelling there. But then it's another free platform that you can use to actually sell your digital products. And as you can see here, they say on their website that they charge a fee of 0 to 5%. And in order to figure out, okay, why is it 0 sometimes and 5% sometimes, you just need to click here to find out more details. What I do like about this platform is, especially compared to the first one I mentioned, Gumroad, it's more customizable, it looks more user-friendly, and just gives you a bit more options. Just look at some of the features that you can run there. You can do memberships, you can have a shop, you can get commissions, stream alerts, set up your own pricing page, and then Patreon alternative. Patreon basically means people can give you donations. This next one is called TPT, which stands for teachers.com. And it's more specific to people who are educators, people who are selling something specifically to educate people. Like, let's just say you're working in the teaching space and then you want to teach people who are students, not just a coaching or some PDF about anything, but something specifically about teaching, then this is the best platform for you. The main advantage of this platform is that they have got a huge audience of people that come here. They've got a marketplace of people who are already searching for stuff like that. Like, let's just say, for example, you are teaching English, right? They've got a lot of people who are already searching for that here. So then it will be easy for you to find customers there. The disadvantage is that if you are selling something that doesn't fall under those categories that I just mentioned, you're not going to get people wanting to buy your products, because it's, like I said, it's specifically for teachers, which hence, if you look at the name, teachers pay teachers. So it's just another option that you can know about. And if you fall under that category, it might be a good place for you to get organic traffic, meaning that it's just traffic that you don't have to search for, but it will come to your page without you having to put much effort. Now, all those platforms that I just mentioned there, they are all free platforms. You just need to just go through them and see which one makes the most sense to you. I'd recommend just find something that is user-friendly to you. It's easy to set up, and then it allows you to receive payments straight into your bank account or in a way that is easy for you to receive payments. Now, why would I recommend that you use a paid platform over a free one? The main reason is that you get to keep 100% of all the income that you're going to be getting on your platform. Like I gave for the first example, if you sell one book for $10 and then they take 10%, $1 is not a lot of money. But if you sell and make up to $10,000 and you're giving away 10% or even 5%, it just means that you're going to be giving away $1,000 for you just simply using a platform. Whereas compared to these ones that I'm about to show you, you pay something like maybe $25 or $29 per month, but everything else that you make afterwards is 100% yours. The first platform is called Creator HQ, and as you can see here, it's an all-in-one platform that allows you to run your business online. You can use it for building funnels, websites. It's got inbuilt email marketing. You can have courses, memberships, see analytics, set up booking pages, and a whole lot more. This is the number one website that I recommend to all my clients. And in fact, I'm actually invested in this business, meaning that if you decide to use it, you can actually get on a call with me and I can help you to set up everything that you need to set up. I can give you all the support that you need to be able to use this platform. The exact same platform that I personally have used, as you can see here, that's my name there, and then creatorhq.com. It's a platform that I personally use for my own website. And as you can see, I've managed to make over $28,000 in sales using this exact platform. So if you're interested in trying it out, there is a free 14-day trial. You're just going to come and click there, sign up for the trial, give it a test run, see how it feels for you. And the best part is that it's got lots of templates that you can use for free. You just come up here and click on templates, choose the template that you like. And then in just a couple of minutes, you're going to have a fully built website. You just need to add your details, add your images, add your own text, and then you're good to go. The next platform is Etsy.com. Etsy is another platform where you can come and register. The nice part, but at the same time, the disadvantage is that Etsy has got a marketplace. In fact, it's one of the biggest marketplaces in the world for people who sell, whether it's physical, handcrafted goods or digital products. There are millions of people that come to this platform every single day. And if you have something that is currently trending, you can find yourself getting some sales. But because there are so many people there, there are also thousands or millions of people who are also selling there, which means that there is a huge competition. And they take about 20% of every sale that you get. And also, if you want to get good results on Etsy, you're going to have to pay to play, meaning that there are some other fees that they'll be taking from you every single month. I don't yet have the exact fees for 2026, the time that I'm recording this video, but it's just something that you can do research for yourself and then something that you need to be aware of as well. The next one is this platform, which is called Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP for short. It's run by Amazon.com. And the main advantage of this one is that it's the biggest marketplace in the world for PDF books. So some of the best-selling books around the world, you can actually find them on this platform. You can buy them as PDFs or you can buy them as hard copies. So their main advantage is that they've got like a huge audience of people that come to their platform and look for books there, which means that if you've got a book that is well in demand and something that is relevant and it's actually trending, you might find yourself getting a lot of sales from it. However, the disadvantage is that because it's such a big platform, there is lots of competition as well. And not only that, because they practically own the market of online book sales, they take a huge amount of royalties from every single book that is sold. So if you're selling small volumes, like let's say maybe 5 to 10 to 25 books, you're going to find yourself making lots of sales, yes, but not earning a lot of money. The people who earn the most money here are the ones who sell thousands upon thousands of books, because the platform themselves are going to be taking lots of royalties, which means that you are left with less money in your pocket. But I still recommend that you do sign up on them because of the level of reach that they get, and then also for credibility. For example, if you get your book to be a best-selling book on their platform, that's a huge accolade, or a huge something that people can look at you and say, wow, you really achieved something amazing. This next one is Shopify.com. Shopify is also one of the biggest platforms out there in the world for people who are selling things online. The advantage is that you keep all the profits 100%, and you'll be working with a well-proven website platform that millions of people around the world have actually used to generate millions, selling mostly physical products, but then they also allow you to sell digital products. So the disadvantage is that they don't have any marketplace at all. So you are 100% responsible for bringing traffic to their website. But it's an advantage because you get to keep everything that you make. You just need to pay every single month. I think it's $29 per month to use the platform. And then this next one is called Stan Store. It's similar to the one that I just spoke about right now, in that you can build your own website for yourself and then you keep 100% of the profits, but they do have got a monthly subscription that you'd need to use. And what I like about this one is like they allow you to do what are called links in bio. You can have like a link on Instagram where you've got different options that people can choose what they want to buy from you. So that's just one of the advantages of it, but it just basically gives you a very clean look and feel. I've tested it out myself and I think it's actually quite good. Disadvantage, you don't have a marketplace. You have to lead traffic to it by yourself. But like I keep saying, that's actually an advantage for you because you keep all the money and you're not just going to rely on these platforms and wish that maybe they do give you some sales. So there you have it. Those are the top platforms that I recommend that you actually try and use for you to start getting some sales for your digital products. Remember, this is something that I actively teach people and help them to get started with. If you want more details about that, I'd recommend that you sign up for my 5-day challenge. The link is in the description below. It's a challenge where over 5 days, I help you to create and sell your own digital products. I help you to come up with product ideas, actually turn them into real PDFs or video courses that you can start selling. I help you to build the website. I help you with the marketing, getting your first few sales, and then turning that into a business for yourself that creates multiple streams of income for you. So if you're interested in that, click the first link that you'll see in the description below. But then also you might be interested in checking out this video right here that will show you how I made my first $1,314 by simply selling digital products. It's a step-by-step guide that if you implement, if you've never made a sale online, you can find yourself making some money.